Welcome to my videos. So guys, in our day-to-day life or day-to-day work or business activities, many times we have to compare some data. And when you use Excel sheets, it's a very common requirement that compare data between two rows. Okay. So like whether they are exact match or not. Okay. For example, a situation like you have two columns, column A and B, both have text. So you want to compare if both of them are equal or not, like you're comparing data in two cells. How you can do that? Well, the easiest way I have found is this one, like C, and it has got a formula equals A2, this cell equal B2. So if the match is found, it's gonna say true, otherwise false. Now let's see. False. True. Now let me show you more. Okay, sorry. Okay, now if I drag this formula, it will all the way. And it's not just a word, it's much more than that. Right? Like I'll write, hi, how are you? Of course, it's gonna be false, but if I copy this text here, true. Now some of you may ask, what about those spaces and all? Let's give it a try. False. Okay, because they are also considered as characters. Okay, if I remove them again. So in this way, you can map or you can match data between two cells in Excel file. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.